China has unveiled what it describes as the future of ground warfare, and it's no longer about individual machines, but coordinated robotic swarms. In a recent documentary released by state broadcaster CCTV, the People's Liberation Army showcased a system often referred to as an intelligent wolf pack, a combination of robotic dogs and aerial drones operating as a unified network. This is not just a group of robots. It's a distributed system where each unit has a specific role. Some handle real-time reconnaissance and situational awareness, others manage logistics and supply delivery, and some are designed for direct combat tasks. The robotic platforms are built for urban environments. They can navigate rubble, climb stairs, and move through tight spaces. Reportedly, they reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour and can carry payloads of around 25 kilograms. Control is designed to be simplified. A single operator can manage multiple units using voice commands, handheld controllers, or gesture-based systems. The most noticeable aspect is coordination. According to Chinese sources, these systems can continue operating even in environments where communication is disrupted or GPS is unavailable. This suggests a level of autonomous cooperation, allowing units to adapt and coordinate without constant external input. Beyond ground systems, China is also developing autonomous maritime drones and counter-drone laser platforms, all designed to integrate into a broader networked battlefield. At the center of this concept is AI, used to process data, assign targets, and coordinate actions across multiple systems. However, it's important to note, much of what has been shown remains demonstrative. The actual level of autonomy in real combat conditions is unclear. Human operators are still expected to make final decisions, particularly when it comes to lethal force. Still, the direction is evident. Modern warfare is shifting away from isolated machines toward interconnected systems where dozens or even hundreds of units operate as a single entity. The question is no longer if this will happen, but how soon it becomes reality.